In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use MathMod with Blender. MathMod works just like Blender's math functions, but it's more sophisticated. It's got a lot of built-in mathematical formula, or equation-based 3D objects that can be exported to Blender as OBJ files. We can look around by using the left mouse button, and zoom in and out by using the right mouse button. Please experiment by changing the formulas and pressing the update button below. We can instantly produce extremely sophisticated meshes that can be used in various abstract art projects. Again, there are far more 3D object examples to explore. Please see what it can do, and customize them to make your own. There are a lot of 3D examples that are impossible to manually produce by our efforts. Certain objects require the MathMod to calculate for some time. I'll show you how the exporting work gets done. Let's go to the Export menu at the top, and export this object as OBJ. Let's import the OBJ file into Blender. If you're not able to import it, please activate an OBJ import add-on. I think we can model this mesh manually, but it will take really long, and it will never look this good. Think what we can do with MathMod and Blender together. Their potentials and the possibilities are limitless. Ctrl+1 to subdivide. It will take some time to calculate. Let's shade smooth by right-clicking as well. I'll create a ground plane and set up the render scene. I'll extrude this edge to build a wall, and I'll select and bevel the middle edge. Ctrl+B to bevel. Mouse wheel up to add more segments. Let's apply the materials. I'll use the sky texture. We can hide this blue reflection by scaling the ground plane. I'll use 16 samples to save time. Please render with at least 128 samples to get the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.